Good morning. I hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday. It is a pretty nice day here. Supposedly it might rain later on. They did say around 10 o'clock it should be raining, but it is already 10 and it is not raining, so I'm really thankful for that. My plants are getting much needed sun right now, so I'm excited. But this video is going to be a yard sale haul, guys. I did not expect to find all the awesome things that I found today for my greenhouse. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. I also got some free plants, but we will do that in a separate video. So the first thing I want to show you guys that I got was this really nice old chair. It's really old and it's distressed, and that's what I like about it. I'm going to use it maybe as a plant stand, maybe in front of my greenhouse, I think. And this one too. I like how it looks, and I like the yellow on it. It's really pretty. And I just like how vintage it looks, how beat up it looks, whatever you want to call it. And then this knick-knack rack. Oh, let me tell you how much I got everything. So the lady gave me, she told me those two pieces to take them, both of them, for $3. So I'm like, yeah, that's an awesome buy. And then I went to a different yard sale, and they said $2 on that. I'm like, really? I'm like, oh, how can I say no? So I'm gonna try to fit that in my greenhouse in a spot. So I'm gonna see how that works. And then from the same lady that I purchased these the little stool and the chair from, I bought a decent amount of knickknacks. She lives in an older home. She's not older herself, but she purchased it, and I don't know if she found this stuff there or she already had it, but everything I saw where I can just picture succulents in it, and it was so cute. So I didn't pay everything that's in this bag that I'm about to show you. I got everything for $10. So I don't know, I didn't pay $3 for this, but it has a little thing here where you can hook it and on a nail or something. And then I just thought of some succulents spilling out of here, and then a little arrangement down here. I was thinking how cute that would look. I really like this. Super cute. I hope you guys can see, because I really can't because of the light. Then I got this. So cute as well. Everything's gonna be cute. I really like the way this looks. Very vintage. It looks very vintage. And then it has already a hole there, so I can remove that, and so when I water whatever I put in here, it will drain well. So that was a plus. Then she had these cute giraffes, and I thought they would look so cute inside the greenhouse. And I guess you would say that's paper mache. I thought it was so cute. And then I got this cute pot. Let me put that over here. Just really like the way it looked. Very shabby chic. I'll have to make drainage on it. So I got that. See, I can put that there. See, it fits pretty good. It gives you an idea of the size of the rack. See? And then I asked her, I saw that she had a lot of like lace stuff, and I was looking for some lace for the greenhouse, just because I want to use it maybe to filter some light, but a lot of light will still come through it, which will be good for the plants. So I got this one. She was concerned because she's like, oh, it's all tore up. I'm like, it's okay, because I'm gonna cut it, so I'm not worried about it. I told her that it was for my greenhouse. So that was pretty cool. I really like the colors on it, and light will go through this very well. So it's kind of like a shade cloth, I guess you would call it. Because the area that I want to put it in the greenhouse doesn't need a lot of shade. It's right probably there. And I also might use it to cover my mess down there. that area down there because I don't like walking in and seeing the mess. I like it to look very organized. So, I think that in the summer, because we're still in spring, right here, I don't know if this sun is going to be too strong right there. So I don't know. So I'll, you know, I have it just in case. Just, I don't want those to burn. Okay, the last thing that I got from her is this cute little stand. I guess maybe someone can use this to put their business cards, but I pictured some plants, some little baby succulents with moss in it. I think that would be so cute. But anyways, I just love the color of it, the mustard color. It's so pretty. So I can't wait to do, you know, stuff with these and then show you guys what it looks like. So guys, that is it for my greenhouse yard sale succulent home. And now in the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my free plants that I got.